Right, I'm going to be changing the brakes on my trailer. One of the linings broke before. I had a problem with one of the cables sticking, so I've taken the brakes out. So I'm going to replace the brakes now, ready for the summer. We're going to be doing a bit of travelling about, so I'll just get the wheel off. These are Knott brakes, so you've got to get this cap off. There is a tool for this, I don't have one. Just got to knock the cap off gently. There we go. That then gives us a 32mm nut. If you're lucky, you'd have the torque set in there for the nut. When it goes back on, you are supposed to replace this nut with a new nut every time you take it off. That's 280 Newton meters. If it's not in there, you can look it up online for what you got. These are the sealed bearing type, so there's no split pins and stuff to faff around with. Right, that's that. Let's give it a bit of lubricant. I did bring the old brakes up with me for reference, really, because I can see which way the springs are sitting and stuff. But this is the broken shoe. You see that come off there. Jammed everything up. Right. And I got new cables to go on. A bit shorter, the other ones are too long, that was half the problem. So stick this in the back plate ready. Jump up into the boat and get some grease. Just stick a little bit of grease around the nipple then, but don't put too much on. You don't want it running onto the brakes at any point. When I took it off last time, I had a lot of trouble with that rusted into the brakes. New brakes. Such a shame this is. The other brakes are done literally 5 miles on the road. The plan is this time I'm going to put these in for the summer, do my travelling about, and then after the summer I'm just going to take them out, ready for next year. Pointless wasting them. Right, so looks like to me. There's the cable fits into there. This is called the expander, I believe. two slightly different springs in these. I can't see much of a difference, but it's slightly shorter. If you can see that. The shorter one goes on the top, and also they go in from behind that way, because there's only one retaining clip on that to keep it onto the drum. There, like that. And then the tension of the springs hold the other shoe in place. I have seen people putting them on that way, and all that does is bring the shoe out like that, so it rubs on the drum. That's no good. Just put the springs in there. Yeah, that just slots in there like that. Some shape. Right. So I've got these little bits that go in here for the adjuster. This one here is going to keep dropping out, so you've got to watch out for that one. Everything in place, we should be able to just pull this back into position. Right, it's not easy. There's the bit that drops out. Okay. Might just use a ply. Yeah, once it's in position, it's kind of just slots in. But these new clips, they just go in and sort of twist. Some shape. So. Right, I believe everything is still in place. Yeah, the cable's still on. Okay, that's good. This drum has gone very rusty. I'm just gonna find my wire brush attachment and the drill and just give that a bit of a clean up. Just going to make sure that it sits on there properly first of all before we do that. Yeah. Lovely. Up. Right. I'm going to get this roughly adjusted. Yeah. On these brakes, it's a 19mm bolt. Oh, stiff and creaky. The way you adjust these brakes is you tighten the adjuster till the brake drum kind of binds it, and then you come back half a full turn right the way back down. That's just about it, and that should be the adjustment. It's thereabouts. I am going to be taking the drum back off, because when I put the cable on over there, you want to make sure this bit here, that needs to be, you can see that properly, hang on. This bit here needs to be sitting as it is there, not slightly on. So if we tighten that cable too much, the brakes are going to be holding on a bit. So you've just got to double check that that's sitting where it is there. In fact, I'll put the cable in with the drum off now so I can make sure I get that right. Don't do as I do, you should have a stand in there actually. Right. Right. Feels just about right. It's not quite tell yet because I got a longer cable on the other side. I need to get the shorter one in. So just give it a shot. That bar there is meant to sit sort of pretty square to the axle when it's adjusted properly. Right, just gonna pop this drum back on for now. Right, 280, which is fairly tight. So. I'm just going to do that adjustment again, actually. Yeah, it's locked up. Right, so you want half a turn. Right, we go. That's perfect. You can just hear the shoes just rubbing. So that is properly adjusted there. Another job I'm going to do as well, I'm just going to spray some stone chip on the axle part by here just to keep it protected. from memory, I believe these are 180 Newton meters. Just going to stick them on that for now, and I'm just going to lock up